Mariah Carey join sa maaga, mahabang Pasko ng Pinoy, let's celebrate. Kilalang-kilala na talaga ang ating bansa bilang may pinakamaaga at pinakamahabang selebrasyon ng Christmas season. Dahil biruin mo, kahit mismo ang sikat na international singer na si Mariah Carey ay nakisabay na rin sa pagdiriwang natin pagpatak ng Bear Months. Sa Facebook, ibinandera ni Mariah ang link ng kanyang iconic song na, All I Want for Christmas Is You, at kalakip niya ng advanced Christmas greeting niya. Philippines, it's time, only for you. Winking emoji, panimula niya sa post. Aniya pa, I hope you're all safe and well. Let's celebrate together, Christmas tree emoji. Baka bet mo, Jose Mari Chan lumantad, na sa pagsisimula ng Christmas season, may hiling kay Mariah Carey sa comment section, maraming Pinoy netizens ang tuwang-tuwa dahil consistent daw ang veteran singer sa pag-alala sa ating bansa. Narito ang ilan sa mga nabasa namin, Mariah being so consistent in remembering Philippines, Christmas celebration. I love you Kain. Flying kiss emoji, not the first time she mentioned about our long Christmas season. Entel, it feels good she continue to remember it. Thanks Queen Maria. Our Queen has spoken. Christmas has officially started in the Philippines. Red heart, butterfly emojis, our Queen Mimi. We love you. Thank you for always remembering the Philippines' early Christmas celebration cause its bare months. Christmas tree emojis. Kain. We've been playing your Merry Christmas album since day isang of September. We love you, our Kain. We won't stop until you hit hashtag isang again on Billboard with that legendary AIWFCIY. Emojis, kung matatandaan last year, ang kantang, All I Want for Christmas Is You, ay 75% na mas maraming stream sa Pilipinas kaysa sa ibang bansa. Bukod sa kantang yan, ilan pa sa mga Christmas songs ni Mariah na sikat dito sa ating bansa ay ang, Rockin' Around the Christmas Tree, Jingle Bell Rock, Last Christmas, at A Holly Jolly Christmas.